Hi, hello, namaste, and welcome to our channel Easy Recipes. Today we are going to prepare yummy tasty pizza at home with basic ingredients without using oven, yeast, and cheese. The recipe mainly includes 4 parts. The first part includes dough preparation, and the second part includes pizza sauce preparation, and third part includes white sauce, which is also cheese, and the fourth part is pizza base. The first part is dough preparation. Let's see the ingredients first. The first ingredient is flour half cup plus 2 tablespoons. The second one is curd 3 tablespoons. Baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Baking powder 1/4 teaspoon. Sugar half teaspoon. Ghee 1 tablespoon. And salt, which can be added as per your taste. Now first we have to sieve the flour and ensure the flour is lump free. Then take a bowl and add maida, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and salt as per the taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of melted ghee, you can also use oil, and 3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Give this all a good mix. If required, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and then mix. After mixing properly, now cover this with a cloth and let the dough rest for 1 hour. And the third part is preparation of pizza sauce. For that, the ingredients are 1 medium sized tomato, 1 medium sized onion, half inch of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic pods, and 5 to 6 dry chilies, half cup of water, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste, sugar 1 teaspoon, oregano and dry chili flakes. Chili flakes can also be prepared at home by grinding dry chilies. Now let's start the preparation. Now take a pan and add half cup of water. To it, add tomato, onion, ginger, garlic and dry chilies and let it cook at low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. If you don't want to use this sauce, you can also use tomato ketchup. Let the mixture cool down and grind it into fine paste. Then take a pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Then add tomato mixture to it. Then add salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then add oregano and chili flakes. If you don't have oregano, you can totally skip it. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then mix them well. Add a little amount of water and let it cook in medium flame. Cover this with a lid and let it cook till oil separates from the sides. Now our pizza sauce is ready. Now let's prepare the white sauce. For that the ingredients required are butter or ghee 1 tablespoon, maida or flour 1 tablespoon, milk half cup, sugar 1 teaspoon, salt as per your taste. The preparation process is: in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of butter. To it add 1 tablespoon of maida. Make sure heat is in low flame. Now continue mixing and then add half cup of milk. Milk should be at room temperature. If you don't have butter, you can also use ghee. Now cook this until it becomes thick. If required, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of water. Now add little bit of sugar and salt and mix it well. Now your sauce is ready. Now the final preparation include preparation of pizza base with toppings. Toppings can be used as per your taste. You can use tomato, onion, corn, paneer, bell pepper, capsicum and olives. Oregano and chili flakes. Both are optional, but I recommend using them. They will add flavor. You can also prepare chili flakes at home by grinding dry chilies. After resting the dough for at least 1 hour, again knead for 5 to 7 seconds. Now I am making one pizza with the dough. Prepare the base as shown, not too thin, not too thick. Now take a pizza plate or regular steel plate. I am taking a regular steel plate. Then apply oil and then place the pizza base into the plate. Now spread the pizza sauce. Like I mentioned, you can also use tomato ketchup if you want to. Then add white sauce or cheese which we have prepared and spread it well. Now let's add some veggies. Here I got some onions, tomatoes and capsicums. You can add whatever veggies available to you. Apply oil on the edges for getting crunchy pizza. Then add chili flakes and oregano. As I previously mentioned, you can skip them also. I rather prefer them, they give extra taste. To bake this pizza in OTG or convection, you have to preheat at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and bake this pizza for 15 minutes. Here I am taking pressure cooker. You can add sand or salt and keep a stand in it and cover the lid and preheat for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes, lower the flame and place the pizza base and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now your yummy delicious pizza is ready. Enjoy! Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Easy Recipes. Please click on the bell icon also. Do not forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.